have an overview of her for Take magazine by Horace Chipembele. But in the meantime, Innocencia and Ndembera, Women in Tech Malawi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm telling one pound, guys. Good afternoon. Okay, as you have heard, my name is Innocencia Ndembera. I'm a software engineer, a profession with expertise in mobile development. I am from Women in Tech Malawi as a founder, and basically I'm an advocate for women, from as you can hear from the word. So as an advocate, I'm also an ambassador for Google's Women Tech Makers, Women Tech Network, 1 Million Girls in STEM, and She Code Africa. So it is an honor to stand before you today and discuss a topic that lies at heart of our digital world, the evolving landscape of software engineering and its profound impact on the ever-important field of cybersecurity. So as we step into the future, like I said, it's evident that our approach to software engineering is changing in a remarkable way. New technologies such as machine learning, cloud computing, and Internet of Things are revolutionizing how we create and secure software systems. Today, I just want to talk about some of these exciting changes and their implications for our cybersecurity. So the first one is security by design, which is a principle that is encouraging software engineers to start with the security issues from the beginning of our projects. Because in the past, security was often viewed as an add-on, something to be addressed after a software system was built already. However, with security by design, engineers now consider security from the very beginning of a project. This concept is a principle that places security at the forefront of software development. This principle means that software engineers are not only coders, but should also be security architects. They should incorporate features like encryption, authentication, and access controls into the systems. So these incorporations are basically going to help that not everyone should have access to your accounts. And this way, the systems that we're going to be building in the future should be protecting us. In as much as we have to protect ourselves later on, but the systems should also help us in that way. The principle also involves designing systems in a way that makes them resistant to attacks, even if the attacker has access to the source code. Now, the next exciting thing is machine learning and cybersecurity as a dynamic duo. This is one of the trends in software engineering today, and we have to incorporate machine learning into the development system. So machine learning is just a branch of artificial intelligence that gives computers the ability to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It involves creating algorithms that can identify patterns in data and make predictions based on those patterns. And machine learning and cybersecurity, like I said, have been called a duo because they work together to make systems more secure. Machine learning is a type of AI that can be used to predict, detect, and prevent cyber threats with unprecedented accuracy. So one of the applications that we can actually relate to is when you try to log into your Facebook account or your LinkedIn for multiple times, and then maybe you are having difficulties remembering your passwords. It actually tells you that it logs you out first and prompts you or asks you to change your password. So these are the things that we as software engineers should be looking into so that we can change the future of the engineering in cybersecurity as a whole. The other thing, which would be the last thing that I talk about, is on cloud computing. This the adoption of cloud computing is another significant development in software engineering. This is a model for delivering computing services over the internet. It's a way of accessing computing resources such as servers, storage, and applications without having to manage the infrastructure yourself. So cloud computing has a big impact on the future of software engineering and cybersecurity. One way it does this is by making it easier to develop, deploy software in a secure way. Cloud providers usually offer tools and services that help you build secure applications from their profound, and also provide security measures such as encryption and data isolation. So here, all the tech enthusiasts, because I know that all of us here, we're just trying to prevent the cyber attacks and cyber bullying, cyber threats, and everything that happens there. So all of us gathered here today represent the frontliners of this digital change. We are the architects of this secure digital world. Our journey is one of the continuous learning, adaptation, and innovation. It's a journey that ensures that in the face of emerging cyber threats, we are not just ready, but ahead of the curve. Thank you, and together, let's change a future where our software is not just a reflection of our creativity, but also a shield against the challenges of the digital age. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. We are